Welcome to Course 4, Foundation, Certified Supply Chain Professional, CSCP, course, by SPAO Academy. Topic 1, Supply Chains, Demand Management, and Forecasting. Section 5, Forecast Accuracy and Measurement, Lesson 2, Selecting the Right Forecasting Method. 1. The horses for courses analogy. The fundamental principle is that different forecasting methods work best under different conditions. A student needs to understand that you wouldn't use the same technique to forecast umbrella sales, seasonal, weather-dependent, as you would to forecast sales of a new, innovative tech gadget, short lifecycle, no historical data. 2. Key factors influencing the choice of method. The lesson likely outlines the decision-making framework, asking students to consider these variables. Data availability. Do you have 3 years of historical data or only 3 months? Time series methods need history. Qualitative methods do not. Data pattern. Is the data stable, level, trending up, down, or seasonal? Simple averages work for stable data. Holt's method for trend. Winters for seasonality. Time horizon. Are you forecasting for next week, short term, next quarter, medium term, or next 5 years, long term? Short term often relies on quantitative time series methods, e.g., exponential smoothing. Long term often requires qualitative or causal methods, e.g., market research, econometric models, to account for market shifts. Accuracy required. Does a 5% error cause a stockout, or is a 20% error acceptable? High accuracy might require complex and expensive models. Cost and resources. Does the company have the software and statistical expertise to run a complex regression, or do they need a simple spreadsheet formula? 3. Matching methods to data patterns. The lesson would likely create a simple guide for beginners. If data is stable, random, use a simple moving average or exponential smoothing. If data shows a trend, use Holt's linear trend method or regression analysis. If data shows seasonality, use seasonal decomposition, e.g., seasonal naive, or Holt winters. If no historical data exists, new product, use qualitative methods like market research or the Delphi method. 4. The role of accuracy in selection. This connects Section 05 back to Lesson 02. Holdout samples. The lesson will likely teach students to take historical data, pretend the most recent period hasn't happened yet, and test various forecasting methods to see which one would have been most accurate using the error measurements, MAD, MSE, MAPE, learned in the previous lesson. You select the method that minimizes the error for your specific dataset. Summary for the beginner. The takeaway for a beginner student in this lesson should be: forecasting is a toolkit. Your job is to analyze the demand pattern and the business context, then pick the right tool for the job. You validate your choice by measuring its accuracy. I really appreciate you spending your time with me today. If you want to learn more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your like means the world to us and helps this channel grow so we can continue bringing you great content. Thanks again, and see you on the next video.